Hello guys, welcome to and welcome back. I'm Veronica and today I'm making my first layered cake. Now as you guys know, you don't get to my big age and never make a cake. So I've made cakes before in the past, but never a layered cake. So you want to make sure that you grease your pans that you're going to use and you flour them. I'm old school, grease and flour. And I decided to mix it up and I decided to add milk instead of water just to see what it was going to do to the cake. Curiosity. And then I mixed my liquids together first, and then I mixed everything together. And this is a box cake, y'all. This is a lemon box cake. I will say, lemon box cake is a little bit sweeter than, I want to say, yellow cake mix. And then you want to pour that in there. Try to get it as even as possible. For me, I was going to make sure that the bottom was covered on all three. I don't know why. I don't know if that was important or not, but that was my goal. So I put the butter in there, put a lid on it, put it in there for about 10 seconds. That wasn't enough, so then I put it in there again for another 10 seconds. You want to get it room, you want to have it, I don't know. I was going to say you want to have it room temperature. I'm trying to make buttercream. That's what I'm attempting to do here in my bathrobe. Anyway, so I've gotten this recipe off online. I've gotten this recipe from online. Whatever, it's late. That's the heavy whipping cream. That's the powdered sugar, and I do apologize that at this angle, all you can see is my elbow and my hand. But I'm just eyeballing all the ingredients because, again, I've never made buttercream and I've never made layer cake. Now I'm getting my vanilla extract, good old faithful vanilla, and all you need is a little bit of this. Because, again, and this is my cream of tartar. Never bought this before until now. Cream of tartar is supposed to act as a stabilizing agent in the icing, or else the icing would be liquidy and runny. So now you want to blend like your life depends upon it. Blend, honey, blend, mix. And it's going to, they say if you continue to do this for too long, then you would have made butter. So that's interesting if you ever want to make butter. I don't. I don't think. A little minced garlic and some butter. I think that will. Hey, what? What? Anyway, so this is the icing for the layered cake, and I'm just trying it. And of course, I fell in love. You know what I'm thinking about right now? I'm thinking I should have added a little bit of lemon juice to that, and that would have been so good. Cause I make my cream. What do I make? My cream cheese. Hold on, I just thought about it. Y'all not gonna believe this. For those who don't know, I'm a waitress. And here it is, almost 3 o'clock in the morning. And I'm thinking about the last time I was at work, how somebody said they wanted the Sicilian cheesecake. I think it was their birthday. Oh my goodness. Anyway, let's continue on. So you wanna let these cool. You know, stuff will just come to you randomly that you forgot. You forgot to bring ketchup. You forgot to do this. You forgot to do that. Anyway, so you want to let the layers cool so that the cold product, and this right here, y'all, I tried somebody's cake recently and it had some sort of caramel something on there. And that's what prompted this whole video because the cake was so good. And I just really wanted to have some caramel with this type of icing, this little whipped cream icing or whatever. But of course it didn't really satisfy my because it wasn't the same cake. She said she made her cake too. But nonetheless, I'm going to get there if I just keep practicing. I want to encourage y'all to keep practicing along y'all's journey too, whatever y'all doing. Whether it be hair, nail, makeup, writing a book, writing songs, working on cars, working with dogs. Whatever it is you are putting your hand to, I pray God bless it in Jesus' name. As long as it ain't hurt nobody. All right, so this is, I think, the second layer? Just smack that on top of there. So hindsight is 2020. Um, my daughter said that I should have leveled the cake. I should have cut the tops off, cut the bottoms off. And y'all, I was eyeballing this little long spatula thing. I thought it was like a knife or whatever. I kept seeing them online. Um, I don't think I don't think it would have had the ability to cut the top of. I don't know. I just felt like my cake would have fell apart had I tried to cut something off of there like that. So now I'm just going around the edges. It definitely does not look smooth, but that's okay. This is my first one. So now I've seen these in the cabinet, little decorative things. This is the pink sprinkles. Pink. And there really was no way for me to put that on there without it looking like that. So I let it cool and I took it out to cut it. Y'all, this is the tell all, the end all be all. Okay, so the knife went through there. Lift it up, take it out. What y'all think? What y'all think? Did I do it? Did God give it to me? Oh shoot. A little editing error. But I was able to, yeah, I felt satisfied. Thanks for watching.